Okay, in this method we will discuss about duck typing, that this is another type of polymorphisms. That in this method we use a talk method for a different objects. If we have one or two objects, then by using our talk methods we can access to our different objects. Consider that if we have a two object, that the one object is a duck and the other object is a humans, then by using our talk methods we can define like this. Step first is create a class, put a class and a name of the class one, like a duck and others, and define a class here, like define talk, use a talk methods and a self, and print a for the objects one, yeah, which is a duck. The parameters, the specification, the identification of the duck is with voice like quick. And for the next class, this is a class, and put the name of the class too, and define talk methods and put and print the identification of man is like hi, I am Ali, and any other things. Now object created, like define call objects and put initialization of the duck and the human, and let print this. Okay, do a same practical example on a Python, and uh, do practical again, like practical example of duck typings. Okay, in this lecture we will do a duck typing, that as I told in my last lecture, that first create a class and put a name of the object. The one object is a duck and the other object is a human, and define the duck like by a call methods, and print that a voice, the identification of the duck is like a voice of the duck, like quick, like quick. Okay, now for the second class, that is the human, and put voice, the identification of the second class human, as that I am Ali. Okay, now define call talk methods and pass object like obj, and put obj.talk, and for call talk put object like the duck, the one class, the other is a humans. Okay, right click and run this program. Then okay, you can see that the system produced that for our duck the quick, and for the human this is hi, I am Ali. In here, that which object you passed to a call talk method, that it invoke this, and this is very useful method, that typing.